Hey Carlos, how's it going? This is Melissa. I'm partners with Kylie over at Ringen, so I just wanted to take a minute to shoot you over this video and show you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So Carlos, there's basically three ways in order to rank your page and get you to the top of that Google search engine. It's content, citations, and backlinks. So looking at your website here, it does look like you have a lot of content on here. You just want to make sure that you have relative content. So things that are talking about home remodeling, Miami, interior remodeling, kitchen and bath, something of that nature. And also when you're uploading these pictures to your site, you want to make sure that those have those relative keywords as well, because that also counts as content in Google's eyes. So when we go over and type into Google remodeling contractor Miami, it's typically what people would be looking for. This up here is the paid advertising. This is a Google ad. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the Google Map Pack. So all of these people on here have a Google My Business page. I'm not sure if you have that or not, but if you do, it looks like you're not here on the top three. And the top three is really where you want to be at. That's where people are going to go and click on this and look at the ratings, and they're really going to choose one of these guys. They're not going to take the time to scroll back to the next page and go through, hundreds of other contractors. And the best way to rank on one of these pages, you want to have at least 25 five-star reviews, and you want to have about 10 to 15 pictures on those pages as well. So if we keep going down on this first search page, this is a citation, Yelp. So a citation is any directory where your business name, phone number, and address is listed. So anything like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, all of those are citations where your company's name will be listed. And then if you keep going down, these are called the organics. So let's look at the first guy on this page. Okay, so this looks like it is Cool Renovations. If you scroll down his page, looks like he has a lot of pictures of his projects, services. Certifications and awards listed there, testimonials, blog. So a blog and these testimonials and all of that kind of stuff on his page, that's actually helping him get to the top of that Google page as well. So blogs and articles and any other website that is actually referencing your site and directing traffic over to you, that's called a backlink. So it's really good for you to have a lot of reputable backlinks as well. That's another thing that Google looks at, and it's just another way to rank your page and get you to the top of that search engine. So we use this program called Ahrefs, and when we look at your website, I put your website in here. So it looks like you have absolutely zero traffic coming to your site organically. You do have a couple of backlinks, but it might not be from reputable domains. So if you have anything that's spammy, that's actually going to be a negative effect for you as far as ranking your page. You really want your backlinks to be coming from reputable, authoritative sites that aren't spammy or anything like that. And again, that could be from blogs, articles, other websites, anything that's relevant to remodeling or kitchens and baths, or anything that has to do with your scope of work. And then if we go and look at that top guy that was on the Google page, Cool Renovations here. So he has 58 people coming to his site per month, 202 keywords, 740 backlinks, coming from 20 referring domains. So that's a lot of the reason why he is getting to the top of that Google page, and people are finding him, and he's getting a lot of traffic to his site. So Carlos, I hope that you found this helpful and get some more content and citations and backlinks, and I think you'd be good to go. Feel free to leave us some feedback and let us know if we can help you implement any of these tips and tricks. Have a great one.